Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This tutorial is very special who wants to grow your TikTok account. In this tutorial I will show you how you can create TikTok videos using Canva, and it's completely free. So if you want to grow your personal brand and if you want to grow your audience, so you can create free TikTok videos using Canva. So no need to face camera, just using Canva you can create different kind of products video and different kind of videos. Alright, so TikTok is one of the best short video trending now. So if you want to grow your brand value, so you must need views and the audience. Okay, so you can use TikTok, also the YouTube shorts video. So if you want to check my YouTube channel, you will see lots of video like how we can create shorts video, reels video, how can you start your online business. So don't forget to subscribe my channels and click the bell icon so that you can get the notification when I upload the videos. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so TikTok is one of the best platform where you can show up your brands, your products, your skills, whatever you like, whatever you love. Alright, and that's why you have to create TikTok videos and upload on TikTok. Alright, so we can use Canva and it's completely free, and we can create TikTok videos. So how you can do this? First of all, you have to sign in this Canva account and just click on social media icon. And when you click on social media, you will see some different kind of formats where you can create Instagram post, Facebook post, Instagram story, and just click on right. Here you can see TikTok videos. You don't need to think the resolution, also the size. Here you can see 180 into 9020. So click on that, create a blank, and it will come up with a completely blank template, and left sidebar you will see different templates. So what is templates? Templates is like a pre-created videos format, and it will help you a lot, and you don't need to create by yourself. You can use it and you can customize it. Okay, so I will show you how you can customize this. First of all, you have to identify what is your niche. So if you want to start your clothing brand, or if you start your blogging or any kind of food related niche, so always here you can see search bar, just click on search bar. Search bar you can search over there. Also you can see the templates, quiz, nature, food, love, fashion, product, news, different kind of templates you will see. When I click on fashion, so you will see different kind of fashion related TikTok videos template over there. And after clicking fashion, you will see clothing brand, main fashion, also the clothing, boutique, fashion design, and many more. And if you don't see anything that you want to looking for, just write it here. Here you can see, just write it here and you will see lots of templates over there. So just scroll down, and this is the summer vibes. So click on that, and you will see the 5 seconds total, and it will come up here. Also you can add multiple pages over there, so that you have to click on that plus button, and you can also apply all the 5 pages, or if you want to just add single pages, you can add over there or click on this. Alright, here you can see our first page and the second page. Also you can add another one, just click on that and just okay. So if you want to increase the time section, so you can do this. So how we can do this? Just click on the time framework, and here you can see the time, and you can also apply all the pages. That's mean if you want to add 5 seconds timer for all the pages, just select this and you will see all the pages 5 seconds. Also you can reduce this. So this one, our first page, and also it will come up with second page and next third pages. Okay, so we can customize this. So let's customize this. We can change the font style, font, text, also the background and the website link, and if you want to add anything, so you can do this. So first of all you have to change the website. So here you can see the website link, so you can customize this. So how you can customize? Just double click and you can reduce this. Okay, just click on, just press backspace, and if you want to add your website link, just click on text and just drag and drop it here and just reduce the text size and write it here your website link. Also you can change the new collection text, and if you want to change this image, just click on that and click on delete button, and here you can see two options, delete image and delete grid. So don't delete grid. If you click on delete grid, it will vanish, it will total vanish, and if you want to just click on delete image, just it will remove here. And also if you have any images that you want to upload here, so just click on upload here and upload your files from your local PC, and it will come up here, and just click on this and just drag and drop, and it will automatically fit in this section. That's mean it's a image grid, so it will come up here. Also you can change different kind of things. Also you can change the background as well. Here you can see, you can, if you want to, and if you want to remove this, just remove this and just click on delete. Alright, also you can change from here. If you want to change this image, you can change it, just write it down. Everything you can write and you can change from here. Audios from there. And how you can do this, just click on audio button, and if you have any audio in your own device, so you can also upload here. So it's pretty much similar how we can upload. Just upload it as you just click on upload. Here you can see video section. Also you can upload video and audio section. Just click on upload file and upload from your device, and it will come up here. And then second step is just go to audio section, and also you can use from Canva library audio section. Here you can see the epic, pop and happy, but I will recommend don't use this kind of audios, because the chances is 100% you will get a copyright strike. So that's why try always you should upload copyright free audios. And how we can upload copyright and download from YouTube, okay, and just come up here, upload it and just play it here. So how we can do this, just click on this. If I click on that, here you can see it will automatically come up here, and if you want to increase this section, you can also increase this, okay. Also you can fit from here, and also you can use another one, okay, and another one is just alright. And here you can see our first audio and the second audio. So if you want to delete this, just delete track. Alright, so this is how you can delete, you can add audio from Canva. Alright, so I'm not going to add any audios. Alright, so it's done, and we have to download this video. How we can do this, just click on share button and click on the download section, and here you can see file format, it must be MP4 and quality perfect, and all pages it will be there, and just click on download. That's it, and it will download it within a few seconds. And just go to your TikTok account, just upload proper hashtags and the titles. Also you can use audio track in TikTok account, so you don't need to worry about a Canva audio section, okay. So you can also use TikTok audios. Also you can use the reels from Facebook or Instagram. Also you can use YouTube shorts video, different kind of viral audio and music. Alright, so our video is done and it's completely downloaded. Here you can see downloaded. So this is how you can create your TikTok videos. Not only TikTok videos, you can also create a reels video. I have already a video how you can create product reels video, product TikTok video channel, and just watch this. I think it will help you a lot. So if you love this content, please give us a thumbs up and comment below if you want to see another videos like this. So I will come back with new tutorials. So have a good day. Tata, bye bye.